Imagine being able to create a professional website for a real business in just a few minutes using AI, and then sending that website directly to the business owner before they even ask for one. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, today, that's exactly what I'm going to do. Instead of waiting for clients to come to me, I'm taking the initiative. I'll find a real business that doesn't have a website, create a professional landing page using Google Stitch, deploy it live with Netlify, and then send the finished website directly to the business owner. If they like what they see, this simple experiment could become a real client opportunity. And even if they don't, you'll learn a workflow that can help you build your portfolio, improve your freelancing skills, and confidently approach potential clients. Whether you're a beginner learning web development, a freelancer trying to land your first client, or someone interested in using AI to work smarter, this video will show you a practical workflow that you can start using today. Let's get started. The first thing I need is a business that could genuinely benefit from having a website. I've created a spreadsheet containing businesses that either don't have a website or have very little online presence. Whenever I need a new project or want to reach out to a potential client, I simply choose one from this list. Today, I'm selecting an auto clinic. Before creating anything, I want to confirm whether they already have a website. So I copy the business link and open Google. This takes me directly to their Google business profile, where I can see their customer reviews, ratings, contact information, and social media accounts. I slowly scroll through the profile because this tells me a lot about the business and how customers interact with it. As I continue scrolling, I notice something important. There isn't a website listed. That means potential customers who discover this business on Google don't have a professional place to learn more about their services, view their work, or contact them online. That's exactly the type of business I'm looking for. Next, I open their Instagram page. Before asking AI to design anything, I want to understand the business properly. I pay attention to their branding, the services they offer, their colors, and the type of content they share with their audience. The better I understand the business, the better the website prototype will be. Now it's time to start building. Now that I understand the business, it's time to create the website. Instead of writing a detailed prompt every single time, I already prepared one using ChatGPT. This saves me time and helps me create more consistent website concepts for different businesses. I simply copy the prompt and head over to Google Stitch. If you've never used Google Stitch before, it's an AI-powered design tool that can generate professional website layouts from simple text prompts. Instead of spending hours creating wireframes, arranging sections, and choosing layouts manually, I simply describe the type of website I want, and Google Stitch does the hard work for me. I paste my prompt into Stitch and start generating the design. Now, while the AI is working, it's important to remember something. AI isn't replacing web developers. It's becoming another tool that helps us work faster and more efficiently. The real value still comes from understanding what a business needs, writing better prompts, reviewing the results, and making improvements where necessary. After a few moments, Google Stitch finishes generating the website. Now comes my favorite part. I open the preview and switch to the desktop view so I can experience the landing page exactly the way a potential client would. Honestly, it's impressive to see how quickly AI can transform a simple prompt into something that already looks clean, modern, and professional. As I scroll through the page, I carefully review each section. I'm looking at the layout, the spacing, the colors, the call to action buttons, and the overall presentation. Of course, this isn't meant to be the final product. It's a professional prototype that gives the client a clear idea of what their future website could look like. And that's exactly why this strategy is so effective. Instead of trying to convince someone using only words, you're showing them a real solution they can actually open and explore. Once I'm satisfied with the design, it's time to make it live. Google Stitch allows me to export the project to several platforms, including Figma, Lovable, Netlify, and others. For this project, I'm choosing Netlify because it's one of the quickest ways to deploy a website and generate a shareable link. I export the project, claim the application, and within a few moments Netlify creates a live version of the website that's ready to be shared. Now that the website is live and the message has been sent, the only thing left to do is wait for the business owner's response. Whether they reply today, tomorrow, or even next week, I've already accomplished something that many developers never do. I took action. Instead of waiting for opportunities to come to me, I created one. And that's the biggest lesson I want you to take away from this video. Don't wait until you're an expert before reaching out to businesses. Don't wait until your portfolio is perfect. Start building. Start learning. Start creating real solutions for real businesses. Every website you build teaches you something new. Every message you send improves your communication skills. And every project you complete makes you more confident as a developer. Even if this particular business doesn't respond, I still have another project to add to my portfolio, another practical skill I've improved, and another piece of content that can inspire someone else to take action. Now imagine repeating this process every week. Imagine helping different businesses improve their online presence while continuously improving your own skills. That's how experience is built. That's how opportunities are created. And also, let me know in the comments what type of business you'd like me to build a website for next, because I'd love to turn this into a series where we create AI-powered websites for real businesses and see how they respond. If you found this video valuable, give it a like, share it with another developer or freelancer, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.